Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit permission sets in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup. Basically, we need just to click on the setup menu icon, click on setup. After that, we need just to search for permission set. So here in the quick find, just type permission set, and here we will find the sets. We click on it, and basically we will find the set of rules that are here. You can create your sets if you would like, so by clicking on new, and if you want to edit ones, you will need just to have first the permission and the default ones you want to be able to edit them since they are by default in Salesforce. But anyways, if you had your own set of rules, for example, my rule here, and let's just create something, and those are the licenses, etc. I'm just going to save. So, for example, here, let's just uh, create the new one. I'm just going to save. So those are the permissions and session active required, etc. etc. So let's go back to our permission sets, and from there we need to find our rules. So you will need just to click on it, and from there you can click on edit properties, and you can start adding your modifications, and you will be able to edit it. So as you can see, those are for example the assigned apps, and from here you can add the apps that you would like and configure and set up your own permission sets. So you just click, and as I said, you will need just to go to the apps, for example, or any parts, and you will be able to start modifying your permission sets in Salesforce. So basically, just start going to any part, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.